Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your payment method on Whatnot. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and edit your payment details. Maybe you got a new credit card, or maybe you have a new debit card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so on Whatnot? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's log on to Whatnot. Next, click on the bottom right hand corner where it says account, and then click on payments and shipping. Once you've done so, click on the pencil icon next to where it says add payment method. Next, click on credit or debit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, or Venmo. So this is where you could actually go ahead and add a new payment method, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and edit a new payment method on Whatnot. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.